Join me as I challenge myself to pack for my next trip using just 7 simple hacks. Let's see if I can travel light and still have everything I need. Did you know nearly 60% of travelers admit they overpack? That means wasted space, extra baggage fees, and unnecessary stress. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? In this video, I'll show you 7 simple ways to pack like a pro. These strategies work whether you're heading on a quick weekend getaway or a long-haul international adventure. By the end, you'll know how to save space, stay organized, and travel without that dreaded packing stress. Packing can feel like an impossible puzzle. You either cram too much and struggle to carry your bag, or you underpack and forget essentials like adapters, meds, or even socks. And let's not forget airline baggage fees. Overpacking not only costs you money, it slows you down. You waste time digging through your bag, you end up wrinkling clothes, and worst of all, you start your trip stressed instead of excited. But the good news, with a few smart strategies, you can pack lighter, faster, and smarter. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Make a packing list. It sounds basic, but it's a game changer. Start by writing down your must-haves: passport, phone charger, toiletries, and clothes. Then, trim it down. Do you really need 3 pairs of shoes for a 4-day trip? Probably not. A list keeps you focused, reduces stress, and ensures you never forget the little things that matter most. Tip 2. Choose the right luggage. If you're hopping between cities, a compact carry-on is your best friend. Lightweight, easy to maneuver, and no checked bag fees. For longer trips, consider a medium-sized, hard-shell suitcase for durability and organization. And if you're adventurous, a sturdy backpack can be perfect. Remember, your luggage should match your travel style, not work against it. Tip 3. Roll. Don't fold. Rolling saves space and reduces wrinkles, letting you fit more in your suitcase while keeping it neat. Imagine rolling 5 shirts into the space of 3 folded ones. That's the kind of efficiency pros swear by. Pro tip: combine rolling with rubber bands or packing cubes for maximum order. Tip 4. Use packing cubes. Think of them as mini drawers for your suitcase. You'll know exactly where your clothes are without tearing your bag apart. Need a clean shirt? Grab the cube. Need underwear? There's a cube for that. They save time, reduce stress, and keep your belongings organized, even if TSA decides to do a bag check. Tip 5. Packs versatile clothing. Choose pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Neutral colors, lightweight jackets, and multi-purpose shoes go a long way. For example, 1 pair of dark jeans can be casual by day, classy by night. Think function, not fashion overload. The goal is less items, more combinations. Tip 6. Use travel-sized toiletries. Instead of lugging full bottles of shampoo and lotion, grab refillable TSA-approved bottles. They're lighter, compact, and save space. Plus, no more tossing expensive products at airport security. Bonus tip: solid toiletries like shampoo bars and toothpaste tablets are spill-proof and eco-friendly. Tip 7. Wear bulky items. Jackets, hoodies, boots. Don't waste suitcase space on them. By wearing them at the airport, you free up room for smaller essentials. Plus, airplanes can get chilly. Your hoodie doubles as a blanket. And here's the secret. Packing smart isn't about bringing less. It's about bringing right. When everything has its place, When your luggage is light, and when you know you've got exactly what you need, your entire travel experience transforms. No more digging, no more stress, no more last-minute panic. Just freedom, organization, and the confidence to actually enjoy your trip. So, to sum it up, make a list, choose the right luggage, roll your clothes, use packing cubes, pack versatile clothing, go mini with toiletries, and wear your bulky items. 7 hacks that will make your next trip smoother, lighter, and stress-free. If these tips helped you, check out my other travel videos for even more hacks to upgrade your adventures. And now it's your turn. Share your favorite packing tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next journey. Happy, safe travels!